Hey everybody, it's Neil. Sorry about the weird lighting, but I've got this light I want to show you here. This is by Neporal is what it's called, and it is a battery-powered light. So I'm going to show you guys this, and we'll open it up together here, see how it works. And I have a light behind me that we're going to test it out in. So this here, I guess, gives you a binder clip so you can clip the outlet plugs, but I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a second. So it comes with 4 of them in there. I guess I get one and this. Okay, so this here just came off the back, so I guess that's kind of to protect it. And so this is a battery-powered light bulb. So if we put this on, so this is how we can run it without anything. It just kind of, when it screws on there, it's just going to light up. So this is lighting up without anything. And I guess you can push the button on and off. So if you're camping or something and wanted a bulb, you could choose that. But the other thing we can do is we can plug it into an existing socket. So let's see. I have a bulb in there now. Okay. Taking out the old bulb, putting in a new one here. And there. So now this bulb is on. So there, it's on with the new bulb. And then if we go over here, I'm going to hold the camera for this stuff. If we go over here and unplug it, the light goes off, right? Because that's what happens when things get unplugged. But I guess what we should be able to do is use this binder clip on the outlet, and it will go on. Let's see if this works. So if I clip that, oh, there we go. The light goes back on. So just by clipping, where's the battery? There. If I clip this, well, it did it a second ago. Oh, I missed it. There. It goes on. So how cool is that? So if the power goes out, you can unplug it and just clip the end, and you'll have light. So how cool is that? And I'm guessing it's going to just be recharging itself all day long while it's on, or all night long or whatever. So kind of cool. So when the power goes out, you can still have light. So pretty sweet concept. I like it. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.